All right, in this video, I'm going to talk about why the ICT 2022 mentorship model is not working for you. The model works perfectly fine. You know, when I see people say it doesn't, or that they that is just no longer an edge there, you just don't know what you're doing. You don't understand what you're doing. You don't understand liquidity. You don't understand market structure. So I'm going to enlighten you, because this is a really good example here on this NASDAQ that we had on this particular day. We had like this really big 1 minute displacement. I already know there's so many people that were going short right here. That were going short as soon as they saw this big displacement, because what they're thinking is when they see this, like they're saying, oh, we took out buy side though. Like, look, it ran out this buy side right here. It's pressing up. And so we got this thing. It's pressing up here. It has ample liquidity into 930 here, and now I got like this big displacement right at 930. Equity bail just jumps off the charger, right, Mike? I mean, look at that thing. Look at that strong close, that fair value gap. That's not something that you want to short. Okay. And I was saying this on mic with my mentees. I plugged it in chat. Like, this thing's probably going to ramp up and take out this high. But when it comes to like why your shifts are failing, like why this thing ended up, as you can see, ramped up and cleaned out that high, the reason that happened is because of a few things. Number one, like, you have a draw up above. It was drawing to this buy side up above right here, because the thing is, it took out daily sell side. Yeah, I had that gap that it filled in, but we understood it was drawing to that. And what happened was this was also right at 930. So we understand that 930 is a key time where fake runs happen. All right. So we understand it's a key time where fake runs happen. And it was running out 15-minute sell side right here within a bullish trend, may I remind you. Like, it's a bullish trend running out 15-minute sell side right here. So you combine it, the fact that it's, 930, which is a key time for fake runs, and the first push was lower. So we understand many times that first push is a fake run. It's pushing lower, taking out 15-minute sell side within a bullish trend. Yeah, no surprise. Like, whenever you get that 1 minute retracement, it doesn't hold up, because you're fighting the trend right there. And you can counter trend trade successfully, but you got to understand what liquidity you're taking. So if you're taking 15-minute sell side like this within a bullish trend, you do not want to take that lower time frame displacement. So like on NASDAQ, I can see the 1 minute, it looks explosive, right? But it's right down into 15-minute sell side within a bullish trend. And the problem that a lot of you are making is you are looking for these retracements after the draw is already gone. You need to understand where that draw is. If the draw is already gone, so it's not going to respect that range at that point, you see? Now, and as I was saying, like, after it takes out that sell side and you get a lower time frame shift at that point, it would have been clean, but it never gave me any type of pullback. ES did. Right here on ES, this gave a nice buy setup. Like, this had all that stuff at 930 as well, but then it came down and it ran out this liquidity right here. So you see, like, it came down and it ran out this sell side right here. And then it ran out this sell side right here. And it's still bullish market structure at the time. Let me just go to rewind it a bit so you're not lost in all that. You can see it came down here and it ran out this liquidity. So it's bullish market structure and it has ample liquidity right here. But the thing is, after you get that shift for your highest probability deals, you see how you get this high up here? This is your next buy side liquidity pool. What you really want to see is you want to see it have that reaction off the liquidity, have that shift, lower time frame shift off that liquidity, but leave that next opposing level intact. So like, this is 15-minute buy side. You don't want to, like, for example, let's just say, for example, this did not give a pullback. Let's say it just ramped up. It cleaned out this high right here, right? And then let's say it gave a pullback later, because that's what I see is a lot of people, like, they'll get that lower time frame shift, but then it's taking out a little bit more of a more significant buy side liquidity pull, and then it comes down and then it just cleans them out because it has more liquidity. Yeah, you'll still get some moves, but for the best deals, for the highest probability deals, you want to see it take liquidity, and you want to see that opposing level. Like, this is a bullish market structure. You got this opposing level right here. You want to see that left intact. Okay. You want to see that. You want to see your pullback into a discount, but you want to see that opposing liquidity like we got right there. You want to see it left intact. So it runs out sell side. And then what happens? Well, what happens is we get our lower time frame bullish shift right here. And you see what I mean? Like, see how it has the liquidity still intact. It's a bullish trend. It's ran out sell side. And now we get a bullish shift while having that draw left intact. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. Compare and contrast this with what I was just talking about on NASDAQ and why that didn't hold up. That NASDAQ had already took out sell side. And then you got caught in the reversal because it's like a 15-minute versus a 1-minute level. The 15 minutes a higher time frame. It's a bigger liquidity pool than the 1 minute. And it's also fighting the trend. So no doubt, yeah, you get taken out, no surprise. But with right here, you're aligned with the trend. It takes out the sell side. You get the bullish shift, and you still got that opposing liquidity intact up here. That's able to service your draw. And then it pulls back into a discount, and it seeks that for you. So that's why a lot of people, that's why a lot of you guys, your market structure shift with the ICT 2022 are failing. It's because you got to understand what that draw is. But hopefully you enjoyed this video, got immense value. I'll see you later.